Replacing combustible external wall systems is now a top priority, but ensuring residents are safe from fire before, during, and immediately after remedial work is completed presents many challenges. As a leading UK manufacturer of fire protection solutions, we have the technology and expertise to help you bridge the gap from stay-put policy to temporary simultaneous evacuation and back again. Our approach also ensures you're following the National Fire Chiefs Council recommendations for best practice, as well as offering an easy conversion to BS 8629. On approval by a competent person and before cladding removal starts, you should install a BS 5839 Part 1 Category L5 automatic fire detection and alarm system. Advanced MxPro 5 fire panels are fully compliant with the standards and deliver unrivaled performance, quality, and ease of use. Intuitive programming, comprehensive cause and effect, powerful diagnostic features, and compatibility with 4 leading detector protocols bring the highest level of protection for residents and peace of mind for you. Once cladding removal is complete, returning your building to stay-put status is easy. Our EvacGo evacuation alert panel is designed using MxPro 5 technology, so swapping over your fire alarm system to an evacuation alert system couldn't be simpler, whether you're using wired, wireless, or hybrid devices. Installing a temporary advanced fire alarm system that's so quick to convert to an evacuation alert system brings significant cost and safety benefits over alternative approaches too. The UK government has made a total of £1.6 billion of funding available to help ensure cladding fires are a thing of the past. It's time to act fast, invest wisely, and join Advanced in building a safer future. To find out more, visit advancedco.com or call us on 0345 894 7000 to discuss your needs.